to get up. It's our final sea day. One more sleep and we have to go home tomorrow. What time is it? It's actually 7:20. We have about 25 minutes until we have to get to the Windjammer. Okay. We'll just leave her here for a minute. Welcome to day 7 on Wonder of the Seas with Autism on the Seas. I can't believe it's already day 7, but we have a full day at sea. We have so many fun activities happening today. Stay tuned for everything that we get up to on a final day at sea, and then we'll probably combine tomorrow's disembarkation in this video as well. If you haven't already, give this video a like and subscribe to our channel to stay tuned for all of our future cruise videos. And if you haven't watched our Wonder of the Seas series, go ahead and do that as well. And thank you so much for watching. I am heading up to the Dining Lounge for a coffee, and then I'll be going straight up to the Windjammer to help with breakfast. How the heck is it already Saturday? Alright, going up to 15. Okay, it's a while later now. It's actually 11:12 when we have to be in the music hall at 11:15. We had a great time at the pool.
That was fun.
Yeah. And now we're headed to the award ceremony. So every cruise on the last day, we award all of the kids that have cruised with AOTS an award that kind of shows what they were really good at throughout the cruise, or what they really enjoyed, or just something to showcase their personality. So we're gonna go do that. I'm expecting it'll be probably about half an hour, 45 minutes, because we have so many kids on this cruise. And then we have lunch, so let's head out. We don't want to be late.
We also have to take a big group photo, which we will insert here.
Yes.
And we also took a sleeping selfie, which we will, I'm sure Jill has inserted, we'll insert here. And just a little picture of what that is. So we are off to go award some of our amazing families. I can't believe this cruise.
What an amazing cruise. Yeah.
Amazing. I can't speak more highly of this experience.
Yeah.
And I'm so sad it's coming to an end, but we'll save that speech for another time.
I know. Let's do a full review of Rachel's first AOTS cruise after this video.
That you could relax just a little bit. So we hope that you come back and see us again and sail with us again, and that would be a lot of fun.
Okay, we've just finished up our final lunch. That is crazy.
It was good. I had ribs. I got a video of
I had that too.
I got a video of that. We had a good award ceremony. I got some videos of that. And now we have such a busy afternoon. So we have about 10 minutes. We're going to grab a juice, and then we're going to head to respite, play with the kids for an hour and a half. Then we have a show, which is staff supported, but we're not really watching them. Their parents will be there, but I really want to watch the show. Dinner, more respite, and then that's a wrap.
Then we have to clean up the respite room. Rach has never done that before, but it does take a little bit of time cleaning all the toys, packing it all up. Yeah. And then our luggage has to be out by 10 tonight, so busy night, but let's head to our juice.
Okay, so I got probably one of my last juices of the cruise. I'm on my way to the respite room. We actually can't drink anything other than water in the respite room, so I'm gonna have to chuck this.
we just finished up our afternoon respite. I'm going up to grab a coffee from the Promenade Cafe quickly because we have a show that starts in about 15 minutes. It's not required that we be there, and by we I mean the staff, the volunteers, but we have offered a staff assisted show. So I'm gonna head up there. I wanted to watch the show anyways, so I'm gonna hang out with some of the families and enjoy the show, but first a coffee and then the Royal Theatre. My first time in the Royal Theatre this cruise, which is so weird because usually I'm going to all the shows, but we've just been so busy this cruise. Hydrating and caffeinating. Alright, coffees. We're heading down to the Royal Theatre on deck number 4. We have a reserved section of seats as well, so we're gonna go meet our group leader there and some of the families and enjoy the show. I honestly don't even know what the show is about, but we will see. Superheroes, okay. It's called Effectors 2 Crash and Burn. Oh, I see some orange. It means we've made it. Time for the show! Okay, we just finished up the Effectors show. I thought it was amazing.
It was amazing.
It was so high tech, like the lights were amazing.
Yeah, we've never seen anything like that in the Royal Theatre.
We're a little bit disappointed. We've been wanting to go out to the side areas in the solarium, but every time we've come out here, they're closed. So we were gonna get like a cool Insta 360 video, but that's not happening. So I don't know, maybe we'll go find another spot of the ship to get content at. We only have about 10 minutes until we have to be done at dinner.
We just finished up our very last dinner of the cruise. It was amazing.
It was really
Always
good.
bittersweet because we love this meal. You got the steak too, probably, Jill?
Yes.
So
Steak
good.
and the Mediterranean tapas. And dark chocolate brownie.
I missed
So good. You didn't have that? You probably had Caesar salad. It's too late now.
Too late now. Say goodbye to our servers, and we are up to the top deck to take some pictures before Flow Rider and rest of it. Looks nice outside.
It does. It's beautiful.
Just gonna grab somebody for a picture. That was another super quick change in the room. I'm heading up to go help out at the Flow Rider. I'm not sure how many kids will show up, but I know some of the siblings are coming because there shouldn't be a line at the Flow Rider. I believe we have it completely reserved for us. That'll be so fun, and we'll keep you updated if I get on there.
Heading to the final respite session of the cruise. Rachel's actually going to help out up at the Flow Rider, so she won't be at the first part of respite, but here we are.
Okay, it's now 9:37. We are frantically packing. Look at our bed right now.
Not that bad.
We want to get out and enjoy our night, so we're trying to pack up our bags as quick as possible. I'm sure you already know, but Rach and I only packed in a backpack, so it shouldn't take us too long. We really don't have that much stuff to pack up, but the issue is we need to somehow fit it all back in our backpack. So that is going to be a challenge. We'll do it, and then we're gonna go find somewhere to hang out for the rest of the night. Pizza time! I love how Rach is also vlogging on her phone.
I like how it was like a desk and then we're like, where are we going? The last pizza of the cruise.
Bailey's learning about the vlogging. She didn't take a bite until I vlogged it. Camera eats first. Just a little tip, never wait till the last night to deal with anything that you need at guest services because it's always busy and there will be a line. Are you crying?
Yes.
I'm crying.
So sad. So sad. I'm exhausted. It's midnight. We have to be up at the Windjammer at 6:30 to help out families.
So early.
So early, and then we're all getting off the ship together. We do assisted disembarkation.
Yes.
So
We're getting off the ship tomorrow at 7:45 in the morning, so super early morning, but I can't believe
I think
how
we'll
good
just
it was.
continue
Yeah.
this vlog into tomorrow.
Yeah.
Get some morning disembarkation footage so you can see how that goes with AOTS. But we had a great night. We still were able to go out, see the club. We did the silent party.
Yeah,
That
that's
is
so much
We
fun.
went to the attic for one song, pizza, cookies, and we are off to bed for about 5 hours of sleep. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. Don't leave yet,
Yes.
because we will show you that disembarkation process.
Good morning. If you can't tell, I'm so tired, but it is almost 6:30. I'm headed to the Promenade Cafe to grab coffee, then heading up to the Windjammer for the final time to meet up with the families and help them out. I'm all packed. I've got everything on my back right here. And yes, coffee is needed. It's only gonna be, I don't know, like an hour until we're almost headed off the ship. So it's gonna be so quick, and I'm so sad. But going to take in this final hour with the families and the kids.
Good morning.
Okay, that was the last breakfast of the cruise. Look how happy Bailey is. I'm crying. Jill's, and where's Jill? There she is, crying. We're on our way down to deck 5. We're meeting everybody at 7:45 in Valeris. The elevators are crazy as usual on disembarkation day, so we maybe should take the Abyss down. That'd be fun.